Hello, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to edit your videos on iMovie. And in this section, we are also going to learn how to edit your own YouTube videos with your own intro and the subscription option. And in this, we're also going to learn how to edit your travel videos. Basically, we are going to learn each and everything from zero to the 100%. Like, we put in the files, we edit them, and in the final phase we'll take them out into your computer and upload them on YouTube. So we will start by going to iMovie, select iMovie. In here, select create and movie. Click on movie, and here you are into the iMovie editing software. So basically you can import the files into by using this down option or click on this option, but I don't use that one. All I do is I open another tab and select any file like I want. So for example, I have made my YouTube channel's intro. I just drag it and bring it into my iMovie like this one. So this is my intro for my channel which I have made. And for example, I want to edit this video, so I bring that video too. All right, so this is the video in which I have selected, for example, and for example, this video has attached no copyright audio, for example music. For example, in some cases we want to add background musics, but it is attached to the audio. So what I do, I brought it in here, I drag it down here. So if I want the audio of this video, for example, I want the music that is behind this video, there's attached music you can see down there. So what I'm going to do is select it like this, and there's an option called detach audio. So I detach the audio. After detaching the audio, try to move this audio to attach it to another video. So when you delete this video, so the audio should not be deleted. So I delete this video because it's no longer needed. I just wanted the audio music, so I deleted it. And to delete it, you have to use the key command X. Select Command X. By that you will be deleting that. Click on any option, and if you want to return it back, click Command Z. It's so simple. With Command X you will be deleting it, and with Command Z you will bring it back. So I want to delete it, I'll click Command X. All right, so we have got the music. So for example, I want to put the music below this complete video. So what I do, I just drag that audio and put it beneath it, and I want to reduce the noise, the music voice, by whatever percentage I want. So I click on it and just drag it up and down. So this is up to me. I hold the mouse with click and drag it to 25%. That's perfect for me. And you see, I record audio separately for my videos. I have my intro, I have my music in it, and I want the audio. So from where I bring the audio, so this, for example, I usually record my audio on my iPhone for good voice. So I select that audio and bring it back to this iMovie, and I just drop it below the video like this. Just leave it that way. So that way you have added the audio, you drag down the audio, you have the music beneath it, so they both are gonna play together. Now I'll just zoom out. By the key to zoom out is by using your two fingers and bringing them close together on your mouse pad. So that way you will be zooming out, and if you drag them away, it will be zoomed in. So you can see this is an intro I have made, and this is an audio file I've just brought it down here, and this is the another audio that's in the background. So if you want to cut any piece of any part of the video in the piece, for example, if you made a mistake and you don't want to show that part of the video of that video in your YouTube, so what you have to do, select that part. For example, I don't want it from 144 to 155. So what I do, from 145 I'll select Command B. So by using the word Command B, you will be cutting this part of the video, and if I selected another part, and in here I'll again select Command B. So this portion is now separate. By using Command B on the both side, I've separated this option. Now I'm going to use Command X to just cut it out, so it's not anymore in the video. So that way you will be cutting out the video. So far we have learned how to add audio, how to add music, how to cut, how to delete any audio, how to bring it back, and this way also you can shorten or lengthen your video size from the side. Now we'll move to another option. In here on the sidebar we have the audio option, which you can also import them, and in here we have another option called titles. So titles are basically when you are telling about something. For example, I'm making a video and I want to say today we are going to talk about how to make a YouTube channel. So for example, if I make a video on here, I add a title above my picture. I'll drag it down in here, and in title I'll write how to make a YouTube video. If I make this one and another title, I'll make let's see. All right, so this way you can also select what title you want, how you can drag it down here. So you can also use the fonts you have got. You can even thicken them. You can also add different colors for that one. For example, if you want to select any part and you want to add YouTube in here, and let's see, with another color, this one with another color. So it depends on what color you want, what preferences you have, and also you can select different fonts in here. You can see down there, for example, if I select this one, so it will be, all right, if I select all of them and go with this one, now it's changed. So these are the options. You can increase the size in here and click on OK, this light button, and that way you are being done with this. And another thing we have in the background, it's not required usually. You don't need this one while editing your videos, so leave it as it is. Go to transition. So these are transitions. You know what does transition means? It means transition between two videos. For example, this is a cross dissolve. So you want to hide the continuous, when you're making a video and you want to hide that sudden change in your video. So your cross dissolves are pretty better to, you can see it in video, how it's cross dissolving and it can change. So you have pretty few options in iMovie to use the cross dissolves and other cross blur, everything. These are the available options. Now we'll move to another thing called how I add the subscription button while making a video. So for that, what I do is go back. So yesterday I have downloaded this video, top 17 green screen. Make sure it's a green screen video. So I'll show you what does green screen videos means. So green screen videos are like this. They have green in background and they have subscriptions options. So I have selected this one on number 5. So what I do, again, I click on it, I add Command B, and on the end of it, I have number 5 with me. So I use this one, Command B again. So both the other parts are not needed. I'll select them and use the Command X on here, and on the other side again Command X. So I need this portion. So what I do is go in here. I need it from here. I don't want to show number 5, so I select it from here. Control B. Again, I need it till here. The video ends. Control B. So these two portions are again not needed. Again, this portion is not needed. So we need this portion. Now it's a green screen. We want to hide that green screen. So what we do, we drag that video up on this video. So we want to add in between the subscription button in here. So for example, now you can see it's showing green screen. So what you have to do, select that video that you have just brought it and select this option that you can see, the video overlay settings. Click on it and there's an option called cutaway. So you don't want to use cutaway, you want to use blue screen. And you can also use the split screen, in which half video will be the video that is down and half video will be the other video. In picture means this video will be on this picture, so that way you can put it anywhere in the corner or anywhere in that sidebar. Let me show you how. In picture you will be able to do this like this. You just see that what I did. So this way you can depend on your size, wherever you want to put it. So we don't need it as well. We need the green blue screen. So we select green blue screen. That way the green screen is hidden. Only the important part that was required, that is the bell icon and the YouTube subscription button. was needed, and that's how you can see that's how perfectly it's working. Now anywhere you want to put this option and select green blue screen, that way you are going to completely make it beautiful. So that's it regarding how you can put the green blue screen, the subscription button. And now, for example, if you have just completely made this video, now select all the files and try to make sure that you automatically improve the video in auto quality by just clicking on this one. So if you click this one, this will automatically improve the video and audio quality if you have if you want to. Another thing that I preferably choose to make my voice thick and hard, so that I sound clear, I select on the audio always and make it better with this one. And another option I choose is go to this option called noise reduction and equalizer. And in equalizer, I go for the bass boost. I actually boost my voice to make it sound thicker and harder so you can hear it better. So I increase bass boost. You can see how difference there is. So sometimes if you even speak slow, you want to increase your volume of that audio, so you can also select that audio depending on your, for example, it's 100%, I want to bring it to 158%. So it also depends on me. So if this way you have made your audio and you have made completely everything okay, so what you have to do then, go to your file. This is the share file, and in this option you can put your video in theater, like in the iMovie, save it in iMovie, or you can upload it on YouTube directly. But I don't suggest to upload this video directly to the YouTube video on YouTube, because there will be the hashtag of iMovie, so avoid this option. Try to go and select file, and as you select file, that way you are going to save it in your computer. That way, for example, how to make if I made this video, how to make a YouTube video, again in here I'll write YouTube, for example, in description. I'll add this description in YouTube video later on, but I just want to kind of move the file to my computer so I can upload it on YouTube. So again, I'll write YouTube, and that way I select next, and with the button of next, the video will be completely transferred to my computer with complete editing, and that way I'll be able to upload it on YouTube. And for finding this blue-green screen videos, you can go and search it on YouTube. These are free videos. You can use them on your videos. They are free to use because of their no copyright issues. And for as far as my what can I say? As far as my intro is concerned, I also copied the intro. You can bring that intro, for example, up till here. I just copied the intro from another from a YouTube video because it's no copyright. So I brought that video, and upon that, what I did, for that I used Camtasia, because that editing was available on Camtasia, because in Camtasia you will be able to put the wording anywhere you want. So for that intro video, we'll make another video, and up till that, please make sure to leave us a comment and support this channel. If you want to know how to make intro for your videos, please make sure to leave us a comment, and we'll be back with another video soon. So keep supporting this channel. See you soon. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.